Welcome. In this quick tip video, we will guide you through the installation of Viking Pump's opro guard seal into a pump with the U+ bracket. Before installing the new seal, ensure the shaft is free of any debris or wear. Any burrs can damage O-rings upon installation. You can now prepare the opro guard seal for installation. First, install the 3 set screws into the sleeve. Ensure the set screws do not reach the inner diameter of the sleeve to avoid scratching the shaft upon installation. Lubricate and install the 2 internal O-rings into the sleeve. Next, lubricate and install the 2 internal O-rings into the opro guard seal gland. Install the sleeve into the gland to create the seal and gland assembly. Apply gasket sealant to the opro guard seal and place a gasket. Give the gasket a quarter turn and then flip to ensure both sides have a continuous bead of sealant. Install the seal installation sleeve onto the shaft. Lubricate the installation sleeve and shaft. Tape the threads on the shaft to protect the O-rings during installation. Install the seal assembly through the bearing housing onto the shaft with the gasket side facing the bracket. Install until it is flush against the face of the bracket. Remove the tape and seal installation sleeve. Install the bolts, washers, and nuts, and fully tighten to secure the seal gland to the bracket. You can now complete the rest of the pump assembly. Make sure to watch the complete video for steps on this procedure. Once end clearance is set, ensure the opro guard sleeve groove is flush with the face of the gland. Tighten the 3 sleeve set screws evenly to ensure the sleeve is concentric with the shaft. Turn the shaft to ensure the pump turns freely. Using thread sealant, install a grease fitting into the lowest hole in the seal gland. Add grease while slowly turning the pump shaft until grease comes through the open hole in the gland. Install a pressure relief fitting into the gland and add additional grease to ensure all air pockets have been purged and grease has exited the relief fitting. Reinstall the window guards. Ensure that the retaining washer is placed between the guard and bracket faces. Make sure to modify the window guards as necessary to maintain access to the grease fitting and relief fitting. Please refer to our video, Modifying Window Guards, for details on this procedure. Finally, grease the bearing housing until grease begins to appear around the lock washer. Your pump now has an opro guard seal and is ready to be put back into service. For more information or to view other service videos, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.